Welcome to the world of Forex trading, and this is where fortunes are made and dreams are realized. But let's face it, navigating the complex nature of the foreign exchange markets can be so tough and overwhelming. And hey, that is where we come in. We are introducing the best solution to your trading challenges with our ultimate Forex Mastery Mentorship program. And this is your ticket to financial freedom. So whether you are a seasoned trader or you are a complete beginner, our course is designed to elevate your skills and empower you to thrive in the exciting world of Forex trading. So imagine having a seasoned mentor by your side, guiding you through every twist and turns of the Forex market. Also imagine waking up every single morning with the confidence to make strategic trades. So imagine as well making between hundreds to thousands of dollars from the push of few buttons on your mobile phones. Imagine being able to seize opportunities by yourself in the Forex market and turning volatility into your advantage. Now, that is the power of real mentorship program, and our team of traders would have decades of combined experience in the Forex market, and we are here to help you unlock your full trading potentials. So whether you are a seasoned trader looking to refine your trading system, or you are a complete novice eager to dive into the world of Forex markets, our mentorship course is tailor-made for you, and you can finally say goodbye to guesswork and say hello to consistent profit. But wait, there is more. Enroll now and you will also gain access to our exclusive community of like-minded traders. Networking, collaboration, and support are all provided for you because we know success moves in company. So don't miss out on this limited time opportunity to transform your financial future. Spaces are filling up fast, so secure your spot right now and join the ranks of successful Forex traders. Click the link below this video to enroll now, and let's embark on this journey of success together.